up, guys? The Moving Junk Guy back here again with another video. Hope you guys enjoyed the last one. Hope you guys are killing it. Hope that we're doing good in business. Hope we're hitting 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures. Hope we're scaling up. Hope we're becoming the best that we can be and dominating our markets. Dominating that market share. So, I hope you guys are killing it, especially through this slow season, staying busy, innovating, getting ready for 2023 and beyond. Let's go. So today's video is basically about what kind of truck should I get? A lot of times I hear people try to decide between getting a dump truck if they're in the junk removal business solely, or if they're getting a box truck. And then if they're getting a box truck, are they getting one with the lift gate? Are they getting one with the ramp? Are they getting one with neither? I'm here today to let you guys know the benefits, the pros and cons of either one. So, let's cross off dump truck already. I understand the benefit of a dump truck. It's a lot quicker with the unload and the load sometimes. However, it's limiting. You can't really do much with a dump truck besides pick up junk. So, if that's your only sole business, have at it. You can stop this video right now and go about your day, go buy a dump truck, and go kill it. Go do whatever you're going to do. However, if you want to be able to grow and scale and make more money and do more and be able to operate in a delivery business, a junk removal business, and a moving business, then let's get a box truck. So now, let's start out with this. Box truck. Do I want to get a lift gate? Or do I want to get a ramp? Or do I want to get neither? I'll tell you what I did. I started off with neither. I had a Ford E350 box truck, or have, because I still have it. My first truck, my baby. I love it to death. Still running, still going strong. 97 Ford E350 box truck. No ramp, no lift gate. For the first year of my business, we were muscling stuff on. Picking it up, putting it on the truck. Leaning against the thing, sliding up the truck if it was heavy. I don't recommend that. Bad idea. But it's part of the things that I learned during my business. I only laugh because I'm just thinking back to all the experiences that I've had doing that and just how many of them I could have avoided, either with a lift gate or a ramp. So, like I said, I started off with neither. I don't recommend that. I recommend either getting a lift gate or a ramp with your truck. Without that, it makes it a lot harder. And you're not able to get into these other industries, because what you're going to do is, this is the negative side of not having either. When you're trying to lean furniture or anything really against the floor of the truck so you can lean it up or just lift it straight up, you risk breaking legs on bigger pieces of furniture, heavier pieces of furniture, wood stuff specifically. You risk scratching furniture, which is a no-no. You'll get bad reviews quickly, and you'll essentially destroy your business before you even get started. I was fortunate because that didn't happen to me. I've gotten a lot of scratches, but what we were doing was we're putting blankets down on the floor, so we're avoiding that. But, like I said, I keep on saying it, disclaimer, 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 I don't recommend it. What I do recommend is, here's what you do. You can get a liftgate truck, but in my experience, they're a lot harder to come by, and they're more expensive. So if you're looking for an easy option, just get a box truck with a ramp. And if you're looking at a box truck and it doesn't have a ramp available or a lift gate, what you can do is, I'll put a link in the bio. Uline offers a portable ramp, one that you can just put right on your truck. It's 12 feet long, I think 36 inches wide, and it works like it works like an ace. I swear, I live by it because that's what I have for my truck. It's a perfect complement to your truck. I like, now that I have it, I can't understand how I was doing things without it before. Just makes life a lot easier. So I recommend getting that. Like I said, I'll put it in the bio, the show notes. And then I don't feel that you need a lift gate because there's always different options for that. Now, lift gate, this is where it comes in handy. Lift gate comes in handy with heavy items and more fragile items that you don't want to just wheel up or lift up. Here's an example of those: china cabinets, pianos, organs, because those are all very heavy. Gun safes, all things that you can just plop on the lift gate, lift it up, bang, you're right in there. And then the other benefit of that is if you're ever getting into the more commercialized delivery space, where you're dealing with like a freight broker or anything like that, you're going to need that, because when you're showing up at different companies, a lot of them don't have docks, so you're going to need a lift gate. Now, I have good news for you. Even if you don't buy a truck with a lift gate, you're not going to fail. Like I said, I built my business with 2 trucks without a lift gate, just a ramp. And right now, I just swapped the ramp in between both of them. I'm about to get another ramp just so I can add, so I don't have to keep swapping it, because that's annoying of a process. It really is. But for this sake, I say go rent a truck. That's what I've done. When I needed a lift gate, or I required that, I just go to Penske and I go rent a truck with a lift gate. It's so much easier than go buying one. I had a customer who had a piano to move, and sometimes you can get away with doing it with a ramp, but you don't really want to do that, because you could risk damaging it, and those things are expensive. They're usually pretty fragile. They're usually sentimental some way, so you want to really avoid damaging those. So what you do is, if you don't have a lift gate on your truck, you just go to Penske, you open up a commercial account, and then they will let you rent lift gate trucks as much as you want, from 16 to 26 feet, or not even 16, 10 feet to 26 feet. And then you're good. You rent it out, you go return it, you pay for your fee, and then you pay for your mileage, and you're good. That's it. And the benefit of having a commercial account with Penske is that you get special rates. Usually, like, consumer rates are like 99 cents a mile, like $100 a day for the truck. I think that the commercial rates are around 79 a day and like 29 cents a mile, which is ridiculous when it adds up. Trust me. I've done long distance trips and it's added up. And, you know, also, which has nothing to do with the lift gate or not, you don't want to always put a lot of mileage on your truck. So sometimes you do rent that. Or when you have an overage of business, you want to rent out a truck so you can still accommodate that business. But back to the major point. Do you need a lift gate with your truck? The answer is no. What you need is just a truck, and you can rent out a lift gate. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go like, subscribe, follow, share. And like I said, go to that link in the bio where you see the Uline ramp. Get one. I promise you. It will change your business's life. And hope to see you guys soon. Keep killing it. Love you guys. Thanks for following the channel, subscribing. Couldn't do it without you. Can't wait to grow more. And moving junk guy out.